A fabulous morning to everyone. Welcome back to Chandini Waves. We invite you all for this interesting and innovative online class. Let's welcome you once again, my dear children. Yes, today we are going to see the class UKG. Subject English. In English, lesson number 5 is A and the. This is the topic, children. Today we are going to discuss the topic about A and the. A and the. These are articles. We will call it as articles. Children, in English, articles topic is very important topic. Already you know about letters. Yes? How many letters are there in English? There are 26 letters. Yes, no? In that, 5 letters should be a vowel letters. Those are A, E, I, O, U. And other 21 letters are, we will call it as consonant. Okay. So, here we are going to see where we should use a and where we should use an and the. Okay, children? Let's step into the topic. Yes. Hi, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with your good health and wealth. Yes? Yes. My name is A and my name is Anne. Today we are going to say about ourselves. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Yes, children? As I said before, there are 26 letters in English. In that, they are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are English letters. There are 26 letters in English. Okay? Yes. There are 5 special letters in the English alphabet. What are those letters? Yes, children? Yes, they were named as vowels. What are those letters? What are those vowels? Let us see, children. Yes, they are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are all called as vowels. As I said before, in 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels. And other letters, that is, the remaining letters are called as a consonant. There are 26 letters. In that, 5 letters are vowels. And the 21 letters are, we will call it as a consonants. Yes, clear, children? There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet. Now, we can see where to use the a, and the in the word and the sentences. Let's see, children. First, we can see about A. Yes. Let's see how consonant sound came to be used before a word that begins with the consonant sound A. Yes, children, exactly. A is used before a consonant sound. Okay. Yes. See, for example, A tiger. So, tiger. What is the beginning letter of this word, children? T. T is a consonant or vowel? Consonant. Yes, no. Yes, if consonant comes means you have to use a. Okay, if consonant comes means you have to use a. So, a tiger. And the next, a chain. Chain. First, you have to identify what is the beginning letter. That is the first letter of this word. What is the first letter of this chain? C. C is a consonant or vowel. You have to identify C is a consonant or vowel. So, consonant. So, you have to add a chain. Next example, a book. Yes, children, exactly. Beginning letter is B. B is a consonant. So, here we have to use a book. Next, a ball. Ball. B is a consonant. So, we have used a ball. A table. A car. So, children, A is used before the consonant. A is used before the consonant sound. Now, I hope you understood how to use and where to use a. Okay, children. Now, we can see about an. Yes, A we have seen an. An can be should used before a word that begins with the vowel sound an. Exactly, children, what they are coming to say is an is used before the vowel sound. So, what are the vowels? How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. What are those? A, E, I, O, U. So, here an is used before the vowel sound. Yes, let's see some examples for an eagle. Yes, children. See, first what you have to do in this word, what is the beginning letter? E. E is a consonant or vowel? Vowel, yes. A, E, I, O, U. So, E is a vowel. So, you have to use which article? An. An eagle. An eagle. So, if consonant comes means you have to use a. If vowel comes means you have to use an. An elephant. A elephant, it should not come like that. An elephant. So, an is used before the vowel sound. So, here elephant, the word E is a vowel. So, we have to use an elephant. Wow, nicely going, no? That elephant? Yes. And the third one, an onion. Onion. O is a vowel. So, we have to use an onion. Next, ant. An ant. A is a vowel. What is the beginning letter of this word? Ant. A. A is a vowel. So, they have used. So, they have used an. Next example is an high. High. Okay, E is a vowel. So, they have used an. Next, an ice cream. So, ice cream. I is a vowel letter. So, we have to use an ice cream. Yes, children. Then I hope you understood A and an, how to use and where to use. Yes. Let's go to the Next one. What is the next one? The articles a and an are used to talk about things in general. Yes, we have seen no a and an we used to talk about some general things. Okay. Now we can see about the definite articles. The is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. The indefinite article a and an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. It means, children, in articles there are two types, that is definite articles and indefinite article. Okay, definite article is the and indefinite articles is a and an. So here a and an, that is indefinite article, we have to use things in general. Yes, no, already we have seen. But the is used, it is a definite article. The is used before a noun, that is place, person, things, like that we will use the. Okay. Next, here we are going to see where and all we should use the. Okay, children, when a singular noun represents a whole class, when singular noun comes means we have to use the. And the next, while speaking of something or somebody already referred to. Yes, when we are speaking about something or somebody, we have to use the. And the next, while speaking of a particular person or a thing. Yes, exactly, this is noun only. When we are speaking about a particular person or a thing, we will use the. Yes, next, when you refer to classics and holy books. Yes, children, exactly, the holy books means, that is our Hindus holy book is Bhagavad Gita, and the Muslims holy book is Quran, and the Christian holy book is Bible. For that and all, they will use the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, like that they will use. And classics also. Classics means, that is Ramayana, Mahabharata is there, no, for that and all they will use the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Okay, children, and the next one, while referring to the names of journals and newspapers. Yes, the newspapers names, journal names are there, now for that and all also they will use the. For example, Hindu newspaper, the Hindu newspaper, like that they will use the here also for journals and newspapers. And the next one, when we refer to imaginary geographical lines, means that around the earth some lines are there, children. For that we will call it as longitude, attitude, equator, like that we will say. For that and all we will use the longitude, like that we will use. So in this geographical lines and all you will study in a higher classes. For you all are very small kids, no, for that I am explaining small manner. Okay, children. Yes, children. Now let's see the examples for the bicycle. Yes. So bicycle. We can't change this bicycle name. Yes, no, it is already decided. So this is a bicycle. That's all. So here we have to use the bicycle. Like that, the eraser, the dolls, the sun. Yes, sun. We can't change sun. Yes, no, it is nature. That is a unique thing. So we have to use the sun. The India. Yes, for India also we have to use the. The star. Star. We can't change that. Yes, no, it is nature. So, unique things also. So, we have to use the star. Yes, children, these are all the important for the a, an and the. Yes, children, I hope you all understood the concept a, an and the. A, an and the, these are articles, and where we have to use a and where we have to use an and where we have to use the, and I hope you all understood the concept clearly. Yes, no, children? Yes. In this articles, do you have any doubt, children? Yes, hope you have understood about it. Okay, children. Take care. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day, my dear children.